Hello, it's Andrew, fishing Fresno, and it has been quite a while. Well over 6 months. I mean, June 2020. I don't even remember, honestly, the last time I actually posted a video. I've made several attempts in the past between this one and my last one to make a video. Just never happened for a variety of reasons, mainly because I wasn't catching any fish. But we're looking to change that today. Today I'm out at probably my favorite fishing spot, Huntington Lake. So we're trying to catch some trout. This is my first time up at Huntington since the creek fire, which just devastated the area. I did go up to Shaver a little earlier and did manage to catch one fish, just I had never recorded that one. I made several other fishing trips elsewhere, and with just different levels of luck. Most of the time though, it's just skunk. But hopefully today will change that, but we will see. So here we are. It honestly doesn't look too bad. I'll probably end up having to go down that way at some point, but I mean, we'll see how this goes. There we go. All right, I had a bite. That was quick. I want to get my second rod set back up. Unfortunately, I tangled that all to hell. Ah, I missed him. Son of a... Means I lost my bait again. I yanked it way too late. All right, let's see. Got him. Got him. There he is. There we go. Got him this time. There we go. Nice one. There we go. He swallowed it too, unfortunately. Well, I'm here for dinner, so that is fine, that is fine. Got him. Got him. Another good one. At least another average one. There he is. There he is. All right. A little smaller than the last one. Man. Okay, got him on the lip. Look at that. Got one. Look at that. As soon as I put on the green or the chartreuse power bait, got another one. There he is. Very nice. All right, guy. Oh man, he is a good one too. Look at that. That is a nice one right there. Right on the corner of the mouth. Got him. Got him that time. Whew. Got him that time. Little small one this time. Hopefully it didn't get him too bad. I can let this one go. Yeah, right there on the lip. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Another. Okay, awesome. Very nice. There it is. There we go. Oh, he's a... There we go. There we go. All right, I got him. I got him. It's right along the shore now. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's a nice one too. There we go. Not bad hooked, right in the upper jaw. Got him. Finally. All right. Oh, this is a nice one too. There he is. All right, right there on the lip too. Awesome. All right. Right there, very nice, right at the side. There we go. This is another nice little one. Nice little planter again. There we go. There we go. He's still there. He's still there. Okay. Where's he at? Where's he at? There he is. Another one, top of the jaw. Oh, there he goes. All right. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Awesome possum. There we go. Oh, this one's a fighter. He got me in the current. Oh, he came off. No, I don't got him. It's somebody else's line. Oh, dang it, it came off. Oh, well. There he is. All right, finally. Whew. Okay, so that is it for today. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna head back to the car. Since I've already caught my limit, plus caught just multiple other fish. I mean, it's been a day. This has been the best fishing I've had in quite some time. But it's almost 10 o'clock. I mean, I've done what I set out to do. So let's walk back up, head back to Fresno. I'd like to thank everyone if you've watched this far. Really appreciate it. If you're new, please, if you can, take the time to subscribe, like, comment. Really appreciate it. To those who have been subscribed, once again, I know it's been a while since I've posted, but thanks for sticking around. Hopefully I'll have the time for more videos. So everyone, you have a good day, a good Memorial Day weekend. Thanks to all the veterans out there who are serving, who have served, and who gave their all. You know, there's not much else to say about that. So take it easy. You guys have a good time. Go grab a rod, reel, some line, and some tackle. Get out on the water. Have a good day. See ya. Yeah.